Hello everybody, this is Yuka. Today I'm going to show you vegan keto cream cheese. This is very easy and simple. You only need 4 ingredients. My roommate just tried this vegan cream cheese and she wouldn't believe this is actually vegan. If you don't tell your friend, they might not notice it. Alright, enough jibba, let's get started. Alright, it's tasting time. So I have cream cheese on top of lettuce and you can't really see them, but I put the fresh basil underneath and it's gonna be a lettuce wrap. So I'm gonna try this out. Oh wow. It's really good. I love garlic and this has a really nice tangy garlic flavor and it really goes well with basil. So when you're gonna try this cream cheese, it's great to have with fresh basils. It does goes well really good with lettuce. I just put a little too much of cream cheese so it's really cheesy. Some people might not notice this is actually vegan. It's really good. So try this out. If you like this recipe, please hit the subscribe button down below and I will see you later. Bye bye.